So this is my old door skin on top of the Heritage, and you can see what I need to cut out there. That's aligned across the top, and hinge holes aligned there. I've already tried it on the in the door, and that's where it needs to go, so I'm going to make sure the hinge holes are aligned, and then that gives you this arrangement here. So I need to cut out that template on the Heritage door and install a strengthening bracket as well, and these are the two holes where the actual handle stop goes. So here we are with the door opener, door handle back in place on the new panel. This obviously has to be drilled as well, and you'll see if I just take this out. So this is the hole that needs to be cut out, and you'll see that the rubber seal covers up any of the surrounding hole from before, because if you don't have the seal, you'll see that it actually misses out on the very edge. I don't know if you can see it, but there you can actually see, put my hand underneath, you can see some light through there. So that's how little room you've got to play with actually. So now on the underside, you can see the handle comes through. The next thing to do is to put in this strengthening bracket, which goes through like that. And this has to be tack welded to the door, which gives it its strength, and that's what the handle actually bolts to as well. So what I'll do with this is I'll actually put the seal in place, put the door handle in place, bolt it to this bracket, and then get the position exactly right, tack it on. But what I'll do is I'll spray some weld through primer underneath it, and I might even continue this very bottom hole here, this one here, down so that the water can run out as well. That's a drain hole, but it should actually have a little line underneath it so that it runs out. Hi gang, this is my inner door pocket, which I've stripped, taken all the paint off, and it's got some small pitting. I've cleaned it all up and then used rust converter to get into the pits and hopefully stop the rust continuing. And what I'm going to do is lead wipe it. So I've got my mask on and I'm going to heat it up, apply some paste, and then hopefully I can just wipe off the paste, and that'll give me a nice bit of lead covering to stop it from rusting. The other side's really nice, so just going to fix this up. There's no point making a new panel because it's not that bad, so I'm going to see if this works. So here we go. So I've wiped it with my flux paste. So now I've turned it around so it will get into the bottom part of the pocket, put another thick coating of paste on there and give that a wipe as well. Okay, it ain't pretty, but it's sealed. All the holes are covered over. It's just light pitting really. So this is the inside of the door pocket that you won't see, but hopefully it's a bit more durable than putty.